Have you ever wondered why Medina holds such a unique and significant place in the hearts of Muslims around the globe? A city that resonates with spiritual tranquility and historical significance, Medina is not just any ordinary city. It's a symbol of faith, a sanctuary of peace, and a beacon of light in the annals of Islamic history. Among the many virtues of Medina, as recorded in Sahih Bukhari, 1871, is a fascinating aspect that sets it apart. This hadith, narrated by Abu Huraira, tells us that the Prophet Muhammad was commanded to migrate to a city that would consume other cities, symbolizing its magnitude and importance. Some refer to this city as Yathrib, but its true name, as we've come to know and love, is Medina. A city that holds a special place in the hearts of the faithful, a city unlike any other. The Prophet Muhammad was commanded to migrate to a city that would consume other cities, referred to by some as Yathrib, but its true name is Medina. Ever imagined how a city could hold a purifying power similar to a furnace removing impurities from iron? This intriguing notion is beautifully encapsulated in Sahih Bukhari, 1871. The hadith likens the city of Medina to a furnace. But it's not about the heat, rather the transformative ability of a furnace to purge impurities. It's an analogy that paints a vivid picture of the city's purifying nature. Just as a furnace refines iron, removing its impurities and leaving behind only the pure metal, Medina too purifies its inhabitants. It's believed to have an innate ability to expel those who harbor ill intentions or impure hearts, much like the furnace rids iron of its unwanted elements. But beyond the physical, Medina's purifying effect extends to the moral and spiritual realms. It fosters a society where righteousness is promoted and moral corruption has no place. Indeed, as the hadith beautifully puts it, Medina purifies its people, casting out the impure, just as a furnace purges iron of its impurities. So what does this profound hadith teach us? This hadith from Sahih Bukhari, number 1871, underscores the unique virtues of Medina. It is depicted as a city that consumes other cities, metaphorically indicating its dominance and leadership. The hadith also highlights Medina's purifying nature, likening it to a furnace that refines iron by removing impurities. As we journey through life, let us keep in mind the profound symbolism of Medina, a city that purifies, elevates, and leads by example.